Happy Tuesday, traders. It is Matt and Jacey with Empire Algorithmic Trading here to bring you your daily dose of VWAP Vision's Stock Talk.
It's where we use the volume weighted average price to find the best time to buy and the best time to sell. So let's get right to it, Matt. It's time for a little stock talk.
Stock Talk, baby.
Well, happy Tuesday, Matt. It was an interesting day on the market. Pretty quiet, which is a good thing. So let's just get right to it. After
Let's
yesterday's
go.
strong, yeah, after yesterday's strong reversal, the S&P 500 closed down just a little over 0.3%. Very
Okay.
nice tight range there, kind of closed close to its
Yeah.
open. Pretty good looking chart there. Same thing with the Nasdaq Composite, still hanging out here after yesterday's strong rally. The small caps actually eked out a small gain. That's a pretty
Hey.
pretty good looking chart there. And then same way thing. I like the way the mid caps look. Actually, they're just tightening up right around there. The VWAP is right there, so that's a good sign. And then the mid caps again down just a little bit, a little less than
Okay.
0.3%, but all is good there. And then same thing with the bond market. Bond market, while it did trade down, we don't want to see a continued persistent sell off. We just want to see it stabilize, if not rally up a little bit. That would be ideal. But a continued sell-off into bonds would pretty much kill the rally. So that's not what we want. And then lastly, CBOE VIX index down a little
Okay.
bit today, and we're probably going to stop following the VIX for a little bit now. It's getting down in that range where stocks can tend to rally a little bit. So we're going to probably
Sure.
kick it off to the curb. But what are we going to check out next, Matt?
Well, next we have our five biggest movers, and that is brought to us by the algorithm over at our Patreon. Patreon.com/ Empire Algorithmic Trading gives you access to our algorithm's daily buy and sell signals. And so we're going to take a look at our five biggest movers from the sell and buy signals that we've just had over the past few weeks here. So hit me with them, Jace.
All right, man. Well, DeFi development is just going
Oh,
bonkers. It's up another 40% today. It was up 109% last week alone. So it's getting a
oh,
little parabolic there. This is getting into probably for those traders that like to sell reversals. This is probably going to be a pretty good reversal. But in the meantime, just keep riding that thing until it shows a clear reversal sign because 40% on top of the 100% from last week. So pretty good. And then
Jace.
Dave,
Jace, I
our
don't mean to stop you, but
yeah,
look at that average daily range on that.
yeah, 26.8. It moves. It moves a little bit, right? Uh, I mean, it's kind of wild, really. This whole little dip here doesn't look like much, right? But when you draw the line, I mean, that's a 26% drop. But I mean, it's up 216% from this low here. So it
Wow.
kind of puts it all into perspective there when it goes a little bonkers like that. But yeah, that's an interesting one for sure. I'm gonna be excited to see where this thing goes. Dave, my new best friend, Dave, up
Hey.
7% today. The thing is just
Wow.
on a roll, unstoppable. Astera Labs, nice breakout out of his. It broke out a
Yeah.
couple weeks for actually, where's our broke out for us right here. That was the buy signal, kind of hung out a little bit. And
Okay.
then blasted out today. I actually bought some on the buy, and then I brought some more today. So I'm
All
in
right.
on Astera Labs. I'm also in on Monday. Monday had a nice
Hey.
4% gain, increasing volume, it looks like. Let's just take a look. Oh, yeah, nice increasing volume there. I got in right on the breakout. It's been kind of bubbling along. I took some profits at my 5%, and now it's just cruising along. And then lastly, Rubrik, another former
Wow.
breakout of ours, another one that I've bought and took some profits in my 5 and 7%. Now I'm just letting this one roll. It hit another high, up 2.6% today. So pretty solid moves. Those are just some of the best. There were some other really good moves out there as well. For a nice quiet day, this is exactly what we want, and this is exactly what our algorithm finds are the fastest growing growth stocks, the ones that move,
Yeah.
and the ones that buck the trend. So pretty exciting day, all in all, moving forward for the rest of the week. we're just going to keep doing what we're doing. We're going to hold our winners. Anything that goes against us, obviously you sell out right away because there's plenty
Yep.
of opportunities moving forward.
Yep.
Excited to see what the algorithm kicks out for buy opportunities for tomorrow. And of course, we had a really, really strong breakout today that I can't wait to talk about during Arrow Review. So we'll just, it's pretty exciting right now.
All right. Well, hey guys, that is it for our daily stock talk today. So make sure again you subscribe over at our Patreon, patreon.com/Empire Algorithmic Trading to get access to our algorithms daily buy and sell signals. You also get access to some fun educational videos and you get access to our community of traders. We want to continue growing it. We love to see your wins. We love to commiserate on your losses. So make sure you subscribe over at Patreon. If you want to learn more about who we are and what we do, go to our website, VWAPvision.com, VWAPvision.com. For those watching on YouTube, listening on Spotify, thank you so much. Make sure to smash that subscribe and like button and share it with all of your trader friends. This is a great, fun little community to see every single day. Otherwise, follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Blue Sky, X. We're on all of them. We like to put out some fun content there as well. And that being said, Jace, happy trading.
Happy trading, my friend. We'll see you during Arrow Review.
Woohoo!